Please like this video and subscribe. It helps us with the YouTube algorithm. Hi road trippers, this is Travel Towner, and today we are in Europe at Europa Park theme park, where we will be taking a POV trip on the Silverstone racetrack. And this ride is a little bit different than other car rides at various theme parks, as it goes pretty quick, about the speed of a go-kart. Don't forget, please subscribe. It's a free way to help these videos keep coming. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching these videos. I really appreciate it. And if you love what you see, please consider liking, commenting, and sharing these videos with your friends. And if you really like these videos, the best thing you can do is subscribe to this channel so you can see whenever I put more videos out. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on the road.